Hello, Namaste, Annyeonghaseyo K-pop fans. Welcome to our channel Indian Unni. After a long time, finally I am making this video. In this video, I will answer some of your questions that you had asked me in my previous community post. Questions related to the YG Entertainment and its artist. In this video, I will also share some facts based on my point of view. So please don't get offended because this is my own point of view. Before starting our video, first let me tell you guys that if you want to audition for YG company, then I have two separate videos on my channel. First one for those who are over 14 and second one for those who are under 14 of the age. Because there is slightly difference between both online audition process. The video links are in description box. You can audition in YG at any time. You can audition today or tomorrow, this month or next month, this year or next year or after that, anytime. But suppose you are auditioning today, so again you will be only able to audition after 31 days. Now let's get to the point and see your questions. First question. Does YG really watch online auditions? Will they really select anyone from online audition? Yes, YG and even other companies has a big and experienced team to check and evaluate all online auditions. Yes, they go through all the audition clips. Yes, of course, they want to select someone talented. That's why they are giving this much time on online process. But they mostly don't watch full video. They will watch only 30 seconds or sometimes less than this. But if they are interested in your clip, so they will watch more and they will keep your clip in another file, and after evaluating all the clips, they will again watch all the selected clips and will decide whether you are better than others or not. Second question. How many trainees they will select? There is no certain numbers for this. In an interview, a SM company judge shared that in an global offline audition, they auditioned 4,000 applicants but didn't select anyone. So, same goes for all companies. No matter whether it is online or offline auditions, they will select only if they will see that potential or passion that they want. Otherwise, no matter how hard you or they worked or how many auditions they have seen, but they won't select anyone if they won't find what they want. That's why you listen that online auditions doesn't work. They don't select anyone, it's waste of time and all. But let me tell you, they select very less number of candidates, and this is the rule of all companies that you can't share any information after passing the final round and being a trainee. That's why you don't listen many certain news about trainees. Third question. How does YG treat their trainees, artists, especially foreigners and females? Well, old K-pop idol aspirants must have listened that YG doesn't take good care of trainees. They mistreat their trainees. There are many scandals in the company. Artists have very long break between comebacks and many more reasons like this. Well, the thing is, YG has very strict rules and intensive training system. But we can't say that this is mistreatment. This is their own way to make their idols competitive and talented. People call YG Entertainment was because of YG's former CEO Young Hyun Suk's scandals. Like Singri's scandal. He was from YG Entertainment and he was alleged to trade girls for prostitution and distribution of drugs. Since he is from YG Entertainment, some people may argue that YG Entertainment is responsible for the scandal and therefore the reputation of YG Entertainment is damaged. Another scandal of founder and former YG Entertainment head Young Hyun Suk. He was questioned by police for over suspicions including habitual gambling overseas, making illegal foreign transactions and facilitating sex services for potential investors. This damages the reputation of YG Entertainment since he is the founder of YG Entertainment and he is still influencing over the company. But why we blame the whole company? Because of some people? YG is a company run by multiple people. Young Hyun Suk is just one person within the company, and in 2019 YG got its new female CEO, Hwang Bo Kyung. Time is actually changing, guys, and do you think our new CEO will repeat those mistakes again? And now you can see that Blackpink is coming back to back with their new songs. Now let's talk about the YG trainee treatment. YG has many foreigner trainees, so they have experience of how to handle foreign trainees and manage all the overseas things and documents that they need for accepting a foreign trainee. Yes, there will be some documentations for hiring a foreign trainee. YG trainees will have their dorms where you will live with other 5 to 6 trainees. YG Entertainment Building has a cafeteria which is open to staff, artists, trainees, and guests. There they provide fresh, nutritious food to everyone. YG Entertainment has fairest profit distributions among the big three companies. It means YG artists get enough money for their hard work. YG Entertainment doesn't stop their former artists or trainees from promoting or being with another company. YG gives full freedom to their artists to create their own content, writing songs, etc. YG artists could have their individual rooms and they get good promotions for their MVs. But YG doesn't think much about unpopular groups, doesn't take care of idols' mental health, very short dresses for female idols that sometimes we can see that they are uncomfortable. Rules trainees need to follow. Very strict diet plans, no smoking and drinking, no driving, no tattoos, no plastic surgery, no dating, no clubbing, and no traveling. But these rules are for trainees' health, image, and safety purpose. And after being an idol, you can take permissions from the company to break these rules. Now let's see our next question. Will YG select an Indian or non-Asian? Yes, there is no restrictions on nationality, so definitely they are willing to accept Indians and non-Asian people. But I must say that Indians or other Asians have higher chances than non-Asian countries because we Indians have many culture similarities, and as you guys know, in Korea, following your culture and focusing on your language means use honorifics to refer elders is so important, and we Indians have these similarities in language and also in culture. Is learning Korean important before audition? No. Knowing Korean before audition is not that important at all, but you must know English very well or make sure that you will be fluent till your second audition because in second round you will need to talk in English with the judges, and most important thing is how you will communicate if you neither know English nor know Korean. So, learning English is very important, and if you will also learn fluent Korean, then definitely you will have plus points. But yes, after being a trainee, company will provide you Korean classes. Will YG pay for our flight tickets for second or third round audition? Will they help with our visa and passport? Of course not. They won't pay for anything before signing the trainee contract. You need to go with your own money and prepare your own documents like visa and passport. Well, there are also rumors that they will pay if they will find you interesting and had never seen a talent or visual like you. So, yes, I could 50% confirm this rumor because there are some cases in which company found many extremely beautiful or talented idols from other Asian countries and tried everything to recruit them. So, yes, this is the example that companies want the best, and for that they will do everything. So, yes, they will pay for your flight tickets too if they would not want to lose you. For South Korea, Indians need single entry visa, which will cost approx 2800 Indian rupees. It will be valid up to 90 days. If you will be selected as trainee, then you will need employment based E6 visa, which is related to culture and arts work. It will be a multiple entry visa that will be valid for 1 year and can be renewed in 1 year intervals. Will YG pay for our studies, food, and accommodation? Yes, they will pay for your studies. In Korea, you will join international school. They will give you passes with which you can eat in the cafeteria. You will live in a dorm with other 5 to 6 trainees. Dorm will be near from your practice building. According to some rumors, YG also provide weekly or monthly allowance, but that won't be much. What happens in second and third round of 5G audition? Right now the situations are not good enough, so they are also not considering face-to-face auditions much. And most importantly, some visa types are also blocked to enter in Korea because of this pandemic. So, the only way they have is to conduct video call audition or wait for the right time. So, to know about the audition process after online audition, please watch this video attached in I button. In that video, I have told everything in detail related to second video call audition and third round. What dance style YG likes? Freestyle. Prepare a freestyle dance for any K-pop audition, but it doesn't mean that only play any random song and dance. Of course, you need to prepare and set your moves, otherwise you will ruin your performance. If you can, so choreograph your dance with normal but catchy moves. Show them your flexibility and try to remember the lyrics and pretend like you are singing that song. Work on your facial expressions also. You can do dance covers too, but don't pick any popular group's song. Try to choose any underrated or old group song, otherwise you will be only compared. I will tell more things in details when I will make specific video on dance and vocal audition. What song I should choose for YG vocal audition? I always say that choose a song with which you are comfortable, but if you guys really want to ask again and again, then okay. YG prefers high notes song. Choose a pop song. English song is better than Korean one, but prepare one Korean song too. Focus on your breathing. Try to come out of your comfort zone. Figure out your vocal range. Don't try to copy the song. Sing in your own way, just like those YouTubers who do song covers. You can use background music but keep it lower than your voice so that they can listen to you clearly. I will share more details in my specific video about vocal audition, but don't know how much time it will take. What is the age limit for YG? In YG's always open online audition, there is no age limit. Anyone from any country can apply, no matter if you are 8, 10, 20 or 21 years old. But yes, it's little more difficult for 99 liners because we are old, but it's not impossible at all. YG prefers age between 10 to 16 and they don't debut much young girls or boys. They want them to train at least 2 to 5 years. However, there are also some idols who joined in their late age like Dara and Park Wom. Can I apply as team? No, in YG regular audition you can apply only as solo performer. Can other people see the video I uploaded? Only the person in charge of YG audition can check the information you applied. You can also see their privacy policies on the audition application website. Will YG let us use social media? No. As trainee, you can't use your social media accounts, and your previous account should be private or deleted during training. But after debut, you can have permission to use separate SNS, just like our Blackpink members have their personal Instagram accounts. Will YG let us meet our parents? Yes, but they need to visit Korea to meet you, and you need permission beforehand to meet them. You won't be able to come back in your country until your contract ends or until you will have any emergency situation. That's all for today's video. I hope I have cleared most of your doubts, and I will make more question answer videos. So have patience and stay connected with me. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with other K-pop idol aspirants. I will meet you in my next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care. Love yourself and be happy.